the first trailer, the first look of Brothers. Thank you. Hi, and again, good afternoon. And that was then the first look of our film, Brothers. We have to say that this has been a tremendous experience for everyone connected with it. And I'd like to thank all our partners actually for making this responsible. As you know, Brothers is an official adaptation of the Hollywood cult film Warrior. So I'd like to thank Endemol India for partnering with us on this, along with the support that Lionsgate gave us through the proceedings. It was, as you know, a cult film and has acquired a lot of viral love apart from all the love it got at the box office window when it did release a couple of years ago. More than anything else, I think partnering with a Hollywood studio has, on his very first endeavor, which was a remake of my father's most wished film to have been remade, Agnipath, he lived up to his expectation and gave it the hit tag that I so wanted on it. So it was like literally a son avenging his father's revenge from the box office, which happened thanks to Karan Malhotra. So I have to thank him and his wife, who've been a tremendous support. His wife has also written the adapted screenplay of Brothers and is hugely responsible for what you have seen just now. Before I move any further and speak about the cast, I would actually like to invite the man of the moment, really the reason why we're all here at PVR, Mr. Ajay Bijli, who is here with his brother, Sanjeev Bijli, so to really celebrate the spirit of brotherdom. Also, 14th of August, the day of release for Brothers, will also be Brothers Day at all the PVR cinemas and outlets across the country. So I'd like Ajay to come and just tell you in a few words about exactly what that association is. And I'm not only a dear friend, but also a true visionary, Ajay Bijli.
Thanks, Karan, so much. First of all, absolutely overwhelmed by the trailer. Absolutely amazing. And so my brother Sanjeev and I are also here, but we're not going to break into a mixed martial arts session just now. Just like to say that it's incredible to be associated, and the promotions and the contests, everything that's needed to take this movie to another level. We'll be very happy to be doing that. All the best to the film and to all the cast and everybody. Akshay, Siddharth, Mr. Shroff, everyone.
And what are you doing on the 14th of August for us, Ajay? That's more important.
We're going to get into shape and maybe do some promo.
Not you personally. What is PVR doing? We have no interest in your personal shape.
We're doing a proper contest. I think there's one for every one ticket, you get one ticket free.
If you have a brother.
Yeah, if you have a brother, that's right. Okay. And a sister, no?
No, not allowed. Jacqueline's the only sister in this film. All right. Thank you, Ajay. Thank you for being here today. And thank you, Sanjeev. Thank you very much. Huge special mention to our partner Fox, who have entered a big alliance with Dharma Productions recently. All right, ever since I can remember, I've been wanting to partner with the actor himself. He's been somebody who lived in my neighborhood, and I always saw when I was driving as a kid. He was the coolest guy in town. He's still the coolest guy in town. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Jackie Shroff. And as you can see, there's no one cooler than this. All right, it's absolutely imperative to call the captain of the ship, the man responsible for what you saw, truly the heartbeat of Brothers, none other than Karan Malhotra. All right, and the one who made many hearts miss a beat, who else but the gorgeous Jacqueline Fernandez, who is without makeup and was traumatized by Karan for many, many months, and he eventually had to steal her lip gloss. That's something that you'll have to hear about much later. And she still wants it back. What Karan is doing with that lip gloss, we don't know, but we'll talk about that later. All right, the very proud student who's graduated extremely successfully in various ventures after his first outing with us, is Student of the Year, Siddharth Malhotra. Yeah. And the one person I was dying to work with for so many years, almost 2 decades, never got the opportunity. But as they say, the wait has to be worth it. And there could not have been a better film than Brothers for Dharma Productions to work with Akshay Kumar. The entire team of Brothers is also here. Thank you very much for joining us. The technical team, as truly all the support the film had. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I give you the cast and the crew of Brothers. And we're open to questions regarding the film.
बेडू बोलते हैं और ब्रदर्स नाम की फिल्म थी, तो जब इस सब्जेक्ट के बारे में बताया गया और पता था कि अक्षय और सिद्धार्थ वहाँ होने वाले हैं, बेटे के रूप में, तो किस तरीके से आपकी प्रिपरेशन थी, क्योंकि आप इतने सालों में कभी प्रिपेयर तो करते नहीं खुद को?
प्रिपरेशन इसका था, बच्चा इसका था, मेरे हाथ में दिया संभालने को, मैं संभाला जितना संभाल सकता है. It's all his. Karan's been really great. He's handled it beautifully. I mean, when he told me, you came to Pune? Yes. Pune आके बुढ़ू ने कहानी बताया मेरे को, बोले कि ये दो बड़े का बाप बनने गए. वो बोला आसान है, प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, जब तक तू है तो मेरे को कोई टेंशन नहीं है. Because I had seen a bit of his film Agnipath and I really liked it. He was fantastic. He's a giant of a director. You got to watch him. What he's got out of me, I think बहुत मुश्किल से मैंने कुछ 150 डायरेक्टर के साथ काम किया लाइफ में, मगर करण बाबा का जगह स्थान बहुत खड़ा है. Bravo my brother. Thank you so much.
अक्षय, आपसे सवाल है मेरा कि आपने ओरिजिनल फिल्म देखी है, और देखी है तो उससे कितनी चीज़ें इस फिल्म में दर्शकों को देखने को मिलेगी उस तरीके की?
जी बिल्कुल, मैंने देखी है फिल्म, और उससे काफ़ी बेहतरीन है ये फिल्म.
Hello, this is for Akshay here. Akshay Kumar. Akshay here. Yeah, right side. इस फिल्म में आपका लुक एकदम डिफरेंट देखने को मिला है. तो what research work you have done on your looks?
देखिए, मेरा काम रिसर्च करना नहीं था अपने लुक पे. मेरा काम था रिसर्च करना मार्शल आर्ट पे. रिसर्च करना मेरे लुक पे मेरे डायरेक्टर का काम था, तो उन्होंने किया. करण साहब, आप कुछ बताना चाहेंगे मेरे रिसर्च, आपके रिसर्च के बारे में?
आई डोंट थिंक, मतलब मैं रिसर्च वर्ड यूज़ नहीं कर सकता, बिकॉज ऐसी रिसर्च नहीं थी. दिमाग में कई बार चीज़ें आती हैं तो वो हम कर लेते हैं, चाहे उनमें लॉजिकल एंगल हो या ना हो. आई थिंक अक्षय इज लुकिंग लवली द वे ही इज, एंड ही लॉस्ट 10 kgs फॉर दिस पार्ट, एंड आई थिंक दैट हैज़ रियली हेल्प्ड टू मेक हिम लुक इवन मोर टफर, इवन मोर स्ट्रॉन्गर. 17 kgs for this part. So I think that makes him look tougher, makes him look even more stout, and he looks the part really well.
Yeah, Karan, this is for you. Why this kissing scene is become important in Bollywood film? Why kissing scene is become a very important in Bollywood film?
You saw this promo of 2.5 minutes and you've seen a kissing scene. Dude, you got issues.
अक्षय जी, मेरा सवाल. अक्षय जी यहाँ पे, अक्षय जी यहाँ पे, ऑन योर लेफ्ट. अक्षय जी, पूरी टीम को कंग्रेचुलेशन, बहुत ही बढ़िया रहा ट्रेलर. मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि एक समय ऐसे था जब ऐसी मूवीज आया करती थी, दो भाइयों के झगड़े होते थे, एपिक्स, मतलब जैसे कि दीवार हो गई, राम लखन हो गई. तो आप सबसे जानना चाहते हैं कि आपने कहीं ये स्क्रिप्ट मिस की थी आपसे, अक्षय जी से, सिद्धार्थ जी से, जैकी जी से और करण जी आपसे भी, प्लीज बताइए.
नहीं, did you miss making a two brothers film? That's what he's asking.
I actually have made a two brothers film. Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gham is a two brothers film. They didn't fight like that, but they cried. That's my weapon.
Hi,
Do you miss?
Siddharth.
Yeah, miss. Well, any of you would answer that? Do you think Indian cinema misses the two brother conflict film?
नहीं, आती रहती है हर साल में, हर 2 साल में एक बार कोई ना कोई भाइयों की कहानी आती रहती है. So I don't think so. And Indian cinema is known for these kind of films, दो भाइयों की कहानी, बाप और बेटे की कहानी. So I don't think people miss it, because ये कहानियाँ तो आप अगर आप ढूंढने जाएंगे तो आपको हजारों मिलेंगी अंदर, हमारी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के अंदर.
Hi, Siddharth. This is.
क्या बोलूं?
Doesn't look like he's missed it. No.
मगर जब बाबा बना रहा था तो बोल रहा है कि he was always talking about the same old film, what you talking about, Ram Lakhan and all that. He said कि that's always been my inspiration and I want to make it. और ये भाई भाई ये फैमिली का सीन तो चलते रहेगा ना, बड़ो इमोशन तो वही है सब.
Hi, Siddharth. This is Urvi here. To your right. Yeah.
Okay. Hi.
Hi. Siddharth, Akshay is known for doing such action. Was it difficult for you to train yourself for this character? And were you ever skeptical that how you would, match up to Akshay's level?
Yes, of course. Akshay sir.
Should I answer this question if that's okay?
Acha
with
sir.
you? I think he has done so brilliantly. I'm shocked myself. Yes, because he doesn't have a background of martial art or any kind of thing. But this boy has worked day and night in the gym, learning all the kind of moves, all kind of different kind of arts, whether it's jiu-jitsu or aikido, things which I don't think he even knew about it also, but this boy has done it, and I'm shocked myself that somebody can work so hard also. I thought I was a hard-working person, but here he comes, the man who works more harder than me.
Not at all, because you knew everything, sir. So it was not at all hard for him. It was very easy for him because he's been kicking and punching since I've seen all your films. I mean, खिलाड़ी के ज़माने से आप.
Thanks for reminding me of my age.
बड़े भैया. But it was very nerve-wracking. I was very nervous, very upset. I was only, I think, obsessing about the way I look and my technique. I was troubling Karan Malhotra all the time on set. या तो मैं सिर्फ train करता था, या तो खाना खाता था, या सोता था. तो तीन ही चीज़ें कर रहा था 4 महीने के लिए. हाँ, अकेले सोता था. हाँ. मैं सिर्फ 3 चीज़ें कर रहा था because वहाँ पे वो भी allowed नहीं हमारी training में. तो बड़ी मेहनत करी. And hopefully it should all come together when the film comes out.
सिद्धार्थ, अगर अक्षय आपके बड़े भाई होते रियल में तो कौन सी ऐसी चीज थी जो आप उनसे सीखते?
Actually, being on set with Akshay sir is like being in a Punjabi joke book. मतलब हर घंटे और आधे जोक्स में बता भी नहीं तक बाकी लोगों को because थोड़े बहुत नॉन वेज भी होते हैं. तो
थोड़े बहुत नहीं
पूरे हाँ. Correct. So I think इनकी जो vocabulary है पंजाबी में, इनसे पंजाबी सीखता ज़रूर. मेरे खानदान में हम लोग होके भी बोलते नहीं हैं, और kicking punching तो मेरे को हेल्प कर ही चुके हैं एक्शन में, मार्शल आर्ट्स में जितना करते हैं. तो I think इनका जो लहजा है पंजाबी का.
Akshay, hi.
I have to say on that Punjabi note, I have to say something that, when my father and various producers in the 70s made movies, predominantly every producer was Punjabi. So the spoken language on set was always Punjabi. After, I think, 2.5 decades, when I visited the sets once on Brothers, I found the director and the 2 actors talking. I felt I had walked into a Punjabi film set. The 3 of them were very seriously discussing an intense scene in Punjabi. It was actually really took me back into the 70s and the decades that, I think all the major motion picture producers operated in. It was a great nostalgia feeling.